different metadata files maintained by name node. First thing. Okay. Second thing. Okay. What is we understood? What is FS image? What is edit log? What is block report? What is data node information report? How this is maintained? Okay. Where it is maintained? Okay. That information. Okay. We understood. And okay, we understood what is checkpoint. Okay. Who will do a checkpoint at what times? Okay. Then what is secondary name node? Okay. So we understood all these things. Okay. Any questions on top on these points, on these topics? Otherwise, any questions on these topics?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, in secondary
Node.
In secondary node, is there in block report and data node information?
No, why it requires data node information and all?
If
Is it serving user request? No, right?
Yes, sir.
It is meant only for doing checkpoint. Okay, so it will have old FS image edits and new FS image.
Okay,
that's
sir.
it.
Sorry, if name node is shut down.
Entire cluster is down.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, asking what is the redundancy? It means okay, how we can take care of this name node failures. Okay, that's what the question. But I told I will explain this in some time.
Thank you,
okay.
Sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, so any other questions? So secondary name node is kind of a node which will do only checkpointing. That's it. Which will every 1 hour it will take the copy of FS image edit log from name node machine and merge it to single new FS image and push this new FS image back to name node. Now, based on this new FS image, name node will refresh in memory.
Sir, is there other work is being done by secondary name node? Because for this purpose only there is a one node. I think that is the wastage of resources, right? Sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Performing only one task.
Definitely yes. Definitely yes. Okay. So, but okay, secondary name node is not doing anything else apart from this.
Okay.
So sir, they created secondary name node just to maintain the backup of FS image. Understood? Just to safeguard this FS image and edit files. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but for this, yes, as you told, okay, so we don't require a server for this unnecessary waste of money. Okay, so fine. Okay, so the next concept is what is edge node, guys? Okay, so till now we understood okay, what is name node, what is data node, what is secondary name node. Okay, so what is edge node now? Now let's say I have a cluster. Okay, I have name node here. Okay, secondary name node running here. Secondary name node running here. So here okay, I have data node. Okay. So this is my cluster, guys. This is my Hadoop cluster. Okay, I'll put one data node here. Data node. Okay, so let's say this is my Hadoop cluster. Okay. So majorly, if you see, what information name node will be having, majorly FS image, okay, edits, okay, and okay, block report. Okay. After that, okay, what will have? Okay, data node info. Okay. So this is the information name node will contain. Alternate. Okay. So this is the information name node will contain. Okay. Okay. So, but when it comes to data node, okay, so it will contain data blocks. Or no? Every
Yes,
data node will contain data blocks. What the secondary name node will have? So backup copy
FS image.
FS image. Okay, backup copy of FS image. Okay. So this is the way. Okay, each service okay is doing their work. Okay. So one is doing okay. Metadata, one is maintaining metadata, other service is maintaining actual data in the form of blocks, and okay, one more service is maintaining the backup of your FS image. Okay, so this is how the system is built now. Okay, now the question is that okay, so who will use this cluster tomorrow? Okay, let's say you have built a new cluster. Okay, so the question is that okay, who will start loading the data into this cluster? It is empty cluster as of now. Who will load the data into this cluster?
Developer, sir.
Yeah, developers. Okay, so we are Hadoop admins. Okay, normally, so admins are the people, okay, who will make sure this cluster is up and running. Okay, but developers are the people who will use our cluster. Okay, so you will have developers. Okay, developers are the one who will be copying the data into this Hadoop cluster. Okay, so now the question is that okay, so I have a developer. Okay, so Ravi is the developer. Okay. Okay, so now the question is that where Ravi can log in and execute their commands. So if you want to execute a command, okay, you should log into any of this machine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, now the question is that okay, where you will log in? So can I give access to Ravi to name node? So if I give access to Ravi to name node, okay, so name node is containing very sensitive information, FSMA edits. Okay, even the block report is gone, also not a problem. Okay, but these two are dangerous files. Okay, these two are very dangerous files. Okay, if you lost these two, gone case. Okay, by mistake, okay, suppose if I give access to Ravi to execute the commands here, by mistake Ravi see these two files and okay, delete these two files, what will happen?
Entire
Data loss.
Yeah,
Data
entire
will-
cluster.
Entire cluster is going to be down.
Yeah, it is like okay, entire data loss. Okay, your cluster is not down, also entire data loss, because okay, if you don't have metadata, you can't find actual data. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, but when it comes to okay, so giving access to developers, okay, to access to name node to developers, okay, is not a good idea, because name node contain very sensitive information. Okay, so now can I give access to secondary name node? Secondary name node is also having okay, very important sensitive information. Okay, backup copy of FS image. Okay, suddenly okay, see my name node is down, and okay, this developer deleted backup copy of FS image. Again, that's a big problem. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, giving access to developer to secondary name node also not a correct option. Okay, now we have data node. What is this data node? Okay, so can I ask Ravi to log into data node? So normally inside data node, okay, you will have data blocks, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Inside data node, okay, you have data blocks. Okay, when I say data blocks, okay, suppose okay, metadata is here, but data block is deleted. Is it okay? By mistake, Ravi deleted data blocks. Is it okay? See, if the
Okay, sir.
replication is there,
Application
okay,
is there.
if replication is there,
Replication is there, sir.
so that's what, sir. If replication is there, okay, that's fine. But okay, I have copied a file with replication 1. If replication 1, say, sir, okay, if second copy is there, then name node will re-replicate. But okay, but I copied my data with only replication 1. Okay, that one copy Ravi deleted. Okay, what will happen?
It may be through another
Again,
gateway.
data loss only, sir.
It's a
Sir,
data loss.
Ravi may connect to the name node through other gateway, like how we log into the server separately.
Okay, so it means okay, if you see all these servers, okay, so all these servers are maintaining some or other important information, either metadata or actual data. Yes or no? Okay, so metadata also important, actual data also important. Okay, so by mistake, okay, if we give access to developers and okay, without knowing the importance of these things, and they deleted some few things, okay, then that will impact your cluster. Okay, that is the reason okay, what we are doing. Okay, we are buying one extra server here. Okay, so we are buying one extra server here, so we are calling this as a edge node. Edge node. Okay, but edge node is not a service, guys. So this is the name of the machine. Okay, this is the name of the machine. Okay, what we call it as in real time, this is called as edge nodes. Okay, but okay, here are we running any Hadoop services? So what are Hadoop services here? Name node is a Hadoop service. Secondary node is a Hadoop service. Data node is a Hadoop service. Okay, but we are not running any Hadoop services. Okay, but okay. So now here, okay, I'm having this one. So Hadoop is installed here or not? Here also Hadoop installed. Okay. So here also Hadoop installed, Hadoop installed, Hadoop installed, Hadoop installed. Hadoop software, if without installing Hadoop software, okay, you cannot do anything. Okay. So Hadoop software should be installed here. Okay. So now, okay, in the same way, we will install Hadoop software even here also. Understand, guys? In the same way, we will install Hadoop software here. Okay. But no Hadoop services. Okay. Only software is installed. But okay, is any service running? Service means any name node, data node, okay, secondary node service is running here. No. Okay. So now what we will do? Okay. So here, okay, we will allow developers to log into this machine and execute their commands. Okay. Now developers are on this. Okay. Developers will be logging into this machine, and even if they delete something, also no issues to the cluster. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So they will run the commands here, and okay, the command will be executed here because Hadoop is installed here, right? Okay. So what this Hadoop software will do? Hadoop software will push the commands to name node. Understood?
But
So
we can manage this with permissions. Yes. Why we are installing new
permissions,
server?
yes, sir. Okay. Suppose okay, I have some developer, okay, where he has some sudo access, some special permissions like sudo. Okay, he can delete this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so to be safer side, okay, sir, okay, why we need to allow this guy there and okay, put some restriction to our data? First of all, don't allow, then there is no problem at all, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so here it works in that way. Okay, so here we are not allowing any developers to log to this area, these servers. Okay, even they try to log in also, it will not work. Okay, so Hadoop is installed here. Okay, so since Hadoop is installed and the configuration files are there, okay, so it will understand when you run a command. Okay, the command will understand who is name node. So the command will be given to name node. Okay, so since you are running command here, okay, your reading algorithm, writing algorithm will start here only. Understood? Clear, guys? Okay. So now what is edge node?
Sir, just installation is enough, or is there any configuration? I mean, is it necessary to do the configuration in the edge node?
No. Okay, so when Hadoop is installed, Hadoop configuration files also will be there, right?
You have to configure all the configuration files, right?
Okay.
One more question, Venkat. If some file they are deleting, developers are deleting through edge node, the same will be pushed to cluster also. Yes. So anyhow, it will reflect in cluster. Correct? No.
Sir, okay. I will tell you one thing. Okay. If somebody deleted from here, okay, it means okay, what they will delete? What they will delete?
Data
Commands.
file.
Okay. It means okay. So they will run a command here, but okay, using that command, they'll delete data here. Yes or no?
Yes.
There, okay, we have the restrictions actually. There we will put the restrictions. Okay.
Okay.
Understood. On HDFS data, we put the restrictions. Okay, but okay, not on the installation files or configuration files.
Okay, I got it. So you mean to say they can check configuration files and these files here in edge node, but they
Yes.
will not be able to access FS image of the name node as such.
Yes. Directly
Okay.
using this command, they cannot access FS image. They cannot access direct edit. Yes or no?
Yes. But sir, this edge node also has FS image just because. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Where is FS image? Any services running here? No services running.
No
Only Hadoop
service.
is installed here.
But why then we are installing Hadoop here? Like if
Otherwise, okay, how it will understand? Okay. So without installing a software, how will you run a command?
Oh, okay. But like we are connecting, yes, through putty also we are connecting to. Okay, maybe okay, got it. Yeah.
So, sir, okay, if you want to run a command, okay, you should install at least client software there, right?
Yes. Okay, this is client. Okay, got it. Yeah. Got
Okay.
it.
Sir, what are the services we have to configure in edge node?
No services you will configure on edge node.
Like
Okay. This is the only place for developers to log in and execute their commands.
So this is also Linux box. where Hadoop is installed. Hadoop client is installed. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, is it inside the cluster or outside the cluster, edge node?
Okay, now okay. Did I put inside the cluster or outside the cluster?
Outside.
Outside.
No, is it compulsory or is there any optional? You can put it in the inside the cluster, like.
Inside means where you will put, sir. Okay, maybe at the high level. Okay, so this is okay. So including, okay, when I say cluster, okay, that's including edge node also. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. So normally, okay, this area is called as a Hadoop area. Okay. So in real time, this area is called as a Hadoop area, and this area is called as a edge area. Understood? Okay. But okay, end of the day, this entire thing is called as Hadoop cluster. So inside Hadoop cluster, we have different areas. Hadoop cluster means, okay, so it's a combination of edge nodes plus Hadoop nodes. What is Hadoop node? Wherever Hadoop service is running, that is called as Hadoop node. Okay. Here name node is a Hadoop service. Okay. Secondary node is a Hadoop service. Data node is a Hadoop service. Okay. So wherever Hadoop services are running, this is called as Hadoop area. Okay. Wherever edge nodes are running, okay, that is called edge area. Okay. So altogether is called as a Hadoop cluster. Clear, sir? Now.
Yeah. So the edge node does not have access to the HDFS file system, right? Directly on the server.
Directly on the server, no.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. So it can be referred as application node, like a gateway node, connecting node, client node. Okay. So different companies, okay, they call it like with different names. Okay. So edge node is the interface between Hadoop cluster and users or client applications. Okay. So this is kind of interface, okay, between users and Hadoop cluster actually. Okay. Suppose any developer want to write the data, first they log in here, and here they execute the command. They want to delete the data, they log in here, they execute the command. It works in that way. Okay, so users or developers will be given access to edge node, okay, to execute their Hadoop commands or jobs. Okay, so Hadoop is installed here, but no Hadoop services will be running. No Hadoop services. Okay, these are the services. Okay, so this is Hadoop area, this is edge area. Okay, often used as a staging area for data being transferred into Hadoop cluster. Okay. So this is kind of a staging area. So whenever, okay, you have some data to copy into this Hadoop cluster. So what you will do first, okay, you will bring the data to edge node. From here edge node, okay, you will copy to Hadoop cluster. Okay, or if somebody want to access the data also, okay, so first, okay, they will access data from Hadoop cluster to edge node. From edge node, they will access the data. Okay, so this is kind of a staging area. Okay, so Hadoop ecosystem tools can be configured. What is ecosystem tool here? Okay, so any kind of development related tools. Okay, development related tools means, okay, so any tools, okay, which will be used by developers will be installed here, because this is the place where developers will be logging, right? So what are the tools they use? Okay, we need to install all the tools here. Okay, so this is called edge node. Any questions on this?
Okay, so ecosystem tools are configured here. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So now, guys, I guess, okay, from last 4 or 5 classes, okay, we are just, okay, understanding only the theory part. Okay. So now let's try for the practicals. Okay. Let's try whatever we understood so far. Okay, we will see practically. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. If you see Hadoop, okay, Hadoop can be installed in different mode states. Okay. So, okay, first thing, okay, when you install Hadoop, okay, so Hadoop software, if you take Hadoop software, okay, so using Hadoop software, okay, so let us take this and I will correlate and explain. Okay, so when you install MS Office, okay, under MS Office, what and all will come, sir? When you install MS Office, what and all will come under MS Office?
Excel,
So
Outlook,
MS Excel, okay, MS Word, MS
PowerPoint,
PowerPoint presentation.
MS what else?
Outlook,
MS Access.
MS Access. Okay, so otherwise, okay, you can see here Microsoft Office. Outlook. Huh? That's an MS Outlook. Okay. So it means, okay, if you install MS Office, okay, so it will contain, okay, these different, it will install, okay, these many different applications. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes,
but all
sir.
together you call it as MS Office. Yes or no? In the same
Yes.
way, here in Hadoop also, okay, so you have, okay, this is MS Office software. Okay. So MS Office software will contain MS Excel, MS Word, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, these many things. In the same way, so if you see Hadoop software, okay, it comes with, okay, different services. Okay, so it comes with, okay, name node. It comes with, okay, secondary name node. Okay, it comes with, okay, data node. Okay, understand? Here, okay, so you install MS Office software, okay, MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, okay, everything is installed, but it is up to you what you use. Yes or no? If
Yes,
I
sir.
want to use Excel, I use Excel. Okay. If I don't want to use Outlook, okay, I may not use Outlook. Agree with me? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I may not use Outlook. Okay. So it's up to me. Okay. In the same way, okay. When you install Hadoop software, okay, will come along with the or will provide, okay, name node, secondary node, data node programs. Okay. It is up to you what you start or what you use. Understand? Understand, yes. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The Hadoop software contains different services. It is up to you what software you start. Okay. So now, okay, who will install Hadoop here? Okay, let's say, okay, there are different modes, okay, in installing Hadoop, guys. Okay. The first mode is standalone mode. Okay. So first mode is standalone mode. Standalone mode of installation. When I say standalone mode of installation, okay, so you will have only one server. Okay. Server. Okay. Server one. Okay, you'll have one server inside this one. Okay, so of course, obviously OS is installed here. Okay, OS is installed here. Okay, Hadoop is installed here. Okay, Hadoop is installed here. Okay, OS is installed. Hadoop software is installed. Okay, Hadoop is installed. OS software is also installed. Okay, then what else? What else? Okay, so here, okay, here we need to understand one thing. So now Hadoop software is completely developed in which technology, using what technology? So Hadoop software, okay, so now you have name node, you have secondary node, you have data node. Okay, all these things are written in this entire Hadoop software is developed in Java. Entire Hadoop software is developed in Java, guys. Okay, Java. Okay. So first, okay, we need to understand this Java basics now. Okay. So now, okay, so what are the characteristics of Java here? Okay, so it means I'm not talking about, okay, how Java works on, okay. So what is Java? What are the classes, the functions? Okay, all those things I'm not talking about that now. But okay, let's say somebody has written a Java program. Somebody has written a Java program. Okay, so when he or she execute this Java program, how it works?
First it will compile.
Huh? How it works? Okay, somebody has written the Java program, how it works. Okay, so normally if you take, this is the server, guys. Okay, so so let's say I'll take a server. Okay, our laptop. When I say laptop, what and all you will have, guys, inside laptop? You will have RAM. You will have RAM. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inside laptop, what you will have, guys? You will have some RAM. Okay, you will have some cores, or you will have processor. Yes or no? Sorry, you don't know what is there inside RAM. inside laptop also. Okay, so okay, I will open my task manager. Now if I open task manager, I click on performance. So what I have now? Okay, I have RAM. How much RAM I have?
64 GB.
64 GB RAM I have. Okay, 64 GB RAM I have. Okay, now if I see the processor, CPU, when I click on CPU, how many processors I have?
16.
How many processors I have? 16 processors. So I have 16 processors. So this is my laptop based. Okay, so I have a processor in okay with I mean okay, I have CPU with 16 cores. 16 cores. Okay, I have a RAM. Okay, size of 64 GB. Okay, so these are the ones. Okay, and okay, I have hard disk also. So I have hard disk of okay this 2 TB hard disk. Okay, so this is my hard disk. 2 TB hard disk. Okay, so all together what we call here together this is called as a laptop. Sir, no. Sir, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so these are some basics about Java. Okay, so if you know, okay, that's fine. Okay, but okay, I'm sure okay, there are many people who don't know about these basics actually. Okay, that's the reason I'm teaching. Okay, please listen carefully. So now I have a laptop, okay, with a 16 cores CPU, okay, 64 GB RAM and 2 TB hard disk. This is my laptop capacity. Okay, now okay, let's say I know Java and okay, I'm writing a Java program. Okay, so where I will write the Java program? Normally I'll open Notepad. Okay, I'll open Notepad. Okay, so this is the Notepad. Here I will write okay, public static void main, public static void main. Maybe okay. So this is okay. I will start writing my program. Start now. Okay. So now once I start writing this program, okay, will I save this program or not? Mostly yes, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if I want to make it like executable file, so what I will do? So I will save this program and okay. So this is okay. So when I save this one, this will come like a Java file. Java file. Okay. But if I want to make it like executable file, I need to make it like dot. Okay, let's say it is word count. Word count dot Java. Okay. Now if I want to make it like a executable file, I need to create word count dot jar. Understood? Word count dot jar. Clear? Are there any questions? So this is the program I've written. Okay, initially when I write, okay, I will save it like a Java class. Okay, dot Java files. If I want to make it like executable file, I will create it like a jar file. Okay. So now you will save this jar file. Where you will save this jar file? It will be saved in the hard disk in some place, maybe D drive, E drive, or any drive. It is inside the hard disk. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to execute this jar file. I want to execute this jar file. What to do? So what to do? Again, okay, so maybe run a command here. We'll log into command prompt. This is so this is like okay, notepad. Okay, so now I log into command line. This command line. Maybe I log into this one. This is the command prompt. I will log into command prompt. Okay. I log into command prompt. Okay, maybe I'll start executing. Okay. So Java, C, something. I'll write a command. Okay. Java execute command. I'll write. Okay. Now, when I write this execute command, what will happen in the background? Okay. Java command. Okay. So I'll write my Java command. Okay. And then okay, I will press enter. What will happen when I press enter?
Compile and execute.
Whatever the program
Virtual,
whatever the program you written, that will process.
Okay. So I will
virtual box will be created, and then the same jar will be executed in that box. Java will create virtual box inside.
virtual box. Okay. Any other thing? See now, okay, my entire program is inside hard disk, correct or not? Okay. Will this program, okay,
Right.
otherwise, okay, so here, okay, instead of this one, okay, I will put a hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Okay. So now this is the program, okay, inside the hard disk. Okay. So hard disk is a place only used, okay, you can store the data. Okay, you cannot execute any program on hard disk. Okay. So it means, okay, if I have only external hard disk, can I execute a program inside external hard disk? I have
No,
only external
No.
hard disk.
No.
All right. Okay. It's a place to store the data, not to execute the data. Okay. Or to store programs, not to execute the programs. Okay. So now hello world.jar. Okay. So now here, okay, when I open command line and I type the Java command and press enter, immediately what will happen? Immediately. So any one of the core will accept your command. Here, guys, okay, so see here, okay, I opened calculator. Okay. Okay, so it means, okay, to open the calculator, I clicked on this one. Okay. So I clicked on this one, but who opened it for me?
Process.
Processor is the one. Okay, yeah, core is the one who will open for me. Oh, who will open this calculator window for me. Okay. And okay, so here, okay, I'm saying, okay, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, I got the result 5. Okay, who gave this output? I gave 2 plus 3 equal to. Okay, I got the output as 5. Okay, who gave me this output end of the day?
Again, core only, sir.
Again, core. It means, okay, anything you do, okay, so it should be done by any calculation, computation will be done by core. Okay, so but now, okay, so core is like a cricket player. Core is like a cricket player. Okay. So now core is like a cricket player. He can play, he can do bowling and he can do batting. Okay. But to do bowling and batting, he need a playground or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
See, core is a player. Okay, to play his game, he need a playground. Okay. So where is the playground now to play the game?
That is CPU.
Hard disk.
No. CPU is the player. Okay. So now the execution will happen inside this one. Okay. So let's say this is the playground. Understood. Okay. So what core will do whenever, okay, so we run the command and press enter, immediately one core will take the execution of this jar, okay, this Java program. Okay. What this core will do, this core will take this file, okay, this program from hard disk and put one copy into RAM. Okay, put one copy into RAM. Okay. So now your program is here now. Okay. So now core will execute this program. Understand? Core will execute, okay? Each step, okay, inside this program, it will execute. Once the execution is completed, okay, so it will print the output, okay? Once everything is completed, what it will do, just okay, it will release this one. Understand? So JVM is released. Once, okay, so it means, okay, so here JVM is a playground. Understand? Okay. Core is a player, JVM is a playground. Okay, it means, okay, so here core is the one who executes the command. Executor. Okay, so and okay, RAM is JVM is the place to execute. So execute is different. Okay, the place is different. Okay, so place is RAM. Okay, and the person who is executing this program is core. Understand? Okay, so this is the JVM. This is the JVM concept. You understood what is JVM here? So every program, okay, will run inside a JVM. run inside the JVM. Okay, so this is the JVM. Okay, that is a JVM Java virtual machine. Okay, JVM. Okay, so inside this one, okay. So here, okay, I have core 1, core 2, like this. Okay, core 3. Like this. Okay, I have core 16. 16 cores. When you run a program, initially the program will be on hard disk. When you run a program, any core will take this program and copy this jar file, executable file inside this virtual machine. And so it will start executing the program, and finally it will give you the result. So once program is completed, this virtual machine will be released. Clear, guys? Clear? So virtual machine is what is JVM here? What is Java virtual machine? JVM is a place, okay? Dedicated place, okay, inside RAM to execute the Java programs. Understood, sir? What is JVM here? It's a dedicated place inside RAM to execute the Java program. Okay. Now, okay, if I'm running one program, okay, if I'm running one Java program, one JVM will launch here. Okay. If I run 10 Java programs,
10 JVM will run, sir.
10 different JVMs. Normally, every program will run inside a separate JVM. Understand? Every program will run inside separate JVM. Okay. So here, okay. Now coming back to this part. Okay. So now you have name node, secondary name node, and data node. Okay. These are the parts. Okay. Now you are starting a name node means so you are starting a name node program. Will you agree with me? Huh?
Yes,
You are starting
sir.
a name node program. Okay. You are starting secondary name node means you are starting secondary name node program. You are starting data node means you are starting data node program. Are you clear? Okay. So now, now you understood the JVM concept. Okay. Now let us understand. Okay, what is in what are the different ways we can install Hadoop? Okay. So when I say standalone, mode of installation, Hadoop installation. Okay. When I say standalone mode of installation, here, you will have one server, single machine. Okay. So this is a okay. So here, this is the mode. Okay, you have only one server. You have only one server. Inside this one, you will have only one JVM. Okay. Inside one JVM, you are running all three services. Understood, sir? Huh? What is standalone mode of installation? All Hadoop services run in a single Java virtual machine on a single machine. Okay, so you have a single server. Yes, standalone means so you have a single server or laptop or whatever it is. Okay, so here you have single machine or server or laptop. Okay. Inside this, you have only one JVM. Okay, inside one JVM, all three services are running. So this kind of mode is called as a standalone mode of installation. Okay. So now you have other mode of installation which is called as a pseudo distribution mode of installation. Okay. When I say pseudo distribution installation, it works like this. Okay. Yes, okay. So pseudo mode. So you will have only one again. Okay, here also you will have only one server, okay, one server, okay, and one server and okay, only one server. Inside that one server, you will be running name node, you will be running data node, you will be running secondary name node, but all programs together you are running, but okay, they are running in a separate JVMs. Here JVM1, JVM2, JVM3. Understood, guys? What is the difference between a standalone mode and pseudo mode? In standalone mode, you'll have one server. Inside this server, one JVM. Okay, all programs will run inside the same JVM. But okay, in case of pseudo mode, okay, so here is we'll have okay single server, but okay, 3 JVMs for 3 services.
3 JVMs are exist.
Yes, okay, separate JVM for name, separate JVM for data node, separate JVM for secondary node. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? This is pseudo mode. Okay. The last one is fully distributed mode. What is this fully distribution mode? Okay, we will see that one.
Like our Hadoop cluster, sir.
Huh?
Like our Hadoop cluster, I think.
Okay. So now you will have different servers, guys. Understood? How many servers I have? You can have n number of servers. Understood? You can have n number of servers. Okay. And again, okay. So name node is running a separate machine, separate JVM. Data node, secondary name is running a separate machine, separate JVM. Okay. Data node is running here, separate server, separate JVM. Okay. Here data nodes are running on separate server, separate JVM, separate server, separate JVM. Understood? Okay. So this is called as a fully distribution mode. Okay. So you will be running, okay, your Hadoop services in different machines and different servers and different JVMs. Okay. So now tell me, okay, in real time, okay, like okay, if you join an office, okay, for work, okay, I mean if you in any company, if you join any company, okay, so what kind of Hadoop installation you will see there? Standalone or pseudo or fully
distributed server.
Okay. Real time, you will have only fully distribution mode. Okay, you will not have standalone mode or okay or pseudo mode. Okay, standalone mode, pseudo mode are the modes which you will be installed okay in your laptop for practice purpose. Understand? Okay, but in real time, it will be like fully distribution mode only. Okay, so in real time, okay, you will not install your cluster in your laptop. Okay, so you will have separate servers. Okay, and separate JVMs everywhere. Okay, everything is running in separate machines. Okay, understood? Okay, so hope okay. Any questions on this? Any questions on this, guys?
Sir, in pseudo mode, okay, in fully distributed mode, you have multiple servers. You are installing different. You're installing we will install the Java in every server. But when it comes to pseudo mode, I didn't get it. Can you please explain once?
Pseudo
mode.
Understand on both. So standalone means okay. So this is a server. Okay, this is a server. Inside this one, okay. So Hadoop is installed in this server. Hadoop is installed. Okay. Hadoop installed here. Okay. But okay. So if you see the Hadoop services, all 3 Hadoop services will be running in a single JVM.
Okay.
Got it. That's the difference. Okay. So this is one machine altogether. One machine, guys.
Okay.
Okay. In this machine, okay. So Hadoop is installed here. So, but okay. When I say Hadoop is installed, okay. Along with Hadoop, what and all will come? So I've given an example, right? Like MS Office software. Okay. When you install Hadoop software, you will get name node, second name node, data node. Got it. Okay. So now, since I have three things, okay, so I started all three in the same JVM. Okay. This is standalone mode. Okay. But okay, I started all these services in separate JVMs. Okay. In a single machine. Understood? If I have RAM, I can launch multiple programs right here. So here, okay, so this will give you more clear picture. Last batch I explained, right? Okay. So this is your laptop. So this is your laptop, sir. Okay, this is your laptop. Okay, you have a processor. Okay, CPU, okay, with 16 cores. 16 cores. Okay, you have RAM, 64 GB RAM. Okay, and okay, you have hard disk. Okay, I have C drive, 1D drive. Okay, inside this one, okay, so I have written programs actually. Welcome.java, goodbye.java, hello.java. These three programs. Okay, so I can execute all these programs at a time also. Okay, so somebody is executing welcome Java. Okay, you are executing welcome Java. I am also executing welcome Java. Okay, so somebody else is executing hello Java. Somebody else is executing goodbye Java. Okay, so 4 different programs are getting executed parallelly because we have enough RAM here. Okay, normally, okay, if Java developer doesn't mention what is the size of this JVM, it will take 200 MB JVM. Size of the JVM. What is the size of JVM? Yes. By default size of JVM is 200 MB. So it means, okay, if you don't tell anything, okay, from your 64 GB RAM, it will take 200 MB, okay, as a dedicated area to execute your program. Understand? But do you think all programs will run in 200 MB size, in 200 MB JVM?
No, sir.
No.
There may be some big programs. Okay, if you want to run big programs, 200 MB is not sufficient. In that case, okay, what they will do, they will, okay, make the changes in the configuration and they will launch the big JVMs. Understand? Clear? So, and again, okay, you can run multiple programs, okay, at a time. Okay, when you're running multiple programs, multiple JVMs will be launched here. Okay, so like this. Okay, so here, okay, this is the JVM. Okay, so in one JVM, if I run all three, okay, that mode is standalone mode. Okay, if I run, okay, separate JVM1 name node, JVM2 data node, JVM3 secondary name node, okay, that mode is called as pseudo mode. But okay, fully means separate machines, separate services. But in real time, we'll be using only fully distribution mode. Okay, we will not be using any pseudo or standalone modes.
So based on our configurations, it will take default, which is in.
Yes. Okay. And okay, so as part of our practice also, I will show you how to install fully distribution mode only. Okay, I will not show you pseudo mode and standalone mode because
Where these configurations are defined for JVMs? Is it in server or
in the Java, in the server, sir, the server.
Okay. Not in code, Java code. Yes.
You can customize in the code also.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. So now, okay, so let us practice fully distribution mode. Fully distribution mode only. Okay. So now, if I want to practice fully distribution mode, okay, what I need now? What I need. So now let us install. Okay, let us install Hadoop cluster in fully distribution mode. Okay. So my idea is to install. Okay. Okay, this is my idea. Yes, this is my idea. Okay. So install one name node, 3 data nodes. Okay. So 3 servers for data nodes. Okay. 1 secondary name node, 1 edge node. Okay. So total, how many servers I require? Total servers required are 6. Okay. So it means, okay, I need six laptops. So no. Server, okay, so server means, okay, high-end system, okay, laptop means, okay, so low-end system. Okay, so now I need, so to practice our Hadoop, okay, in fully distribution mode, I need total 6 laptops. Okay, sir, what nonsense you are talking? Okay, buying one laptop, paying your fees and buying one laptop is itself is difficult thing for us. Okay, where to buy 6 laptops? Correct or not? Okay, so what to do now? But okay, we want to practice, right? We want to practice, okay, Hadoop in 6 servers. That is the requirement. Okay, how to practice Hadoop in 6 servers?
Creating virtual servers.
What do you mean of virtual server here? What do you mean of virtual server here? Okay. So here, let us take this scenario, sir. Okay. Now, okay, let us talk about my laptop. Okay. So you have seen my laptop, right? Okay. So how much RAM I have in this laptop, guys?
64 GB.
64 GB. Okay. And okay, I have processor 16 cores I have. Okay, 2 TB hard disk I have. And if I see my network speed, okay, it is 1000 MB per second. Okay, 1 gig network adapter I have. Okay. So it means, okay, so how much? What this is my laptop. Okay. So now,
What does
okay,
it mean by network speed, Venkat? Just because I am not
if
aware.
I connect to net LAN, okay, this is the speed, okay, I can get max from my
Okay. Internet speed. Yes, that's what you
not
mean.
internet speed, sir. Okay, LAN is different,
Okay.
internet is different.
Got it. Okay, LAN speed. Okay.
Yeah, LAN speed. Okay. So now this is my laptop capacity. Okay. And okay, when I start OS, how much memory and RAM it will take? So to run my OS, okay, now see, I opened, okay, Explorer, Windows Explorer, Chrome, okay, Notepad, okay, so many things. Okay, so many things I opened, okay, but I'm not opening anything, but okay, I'm just okay, starting my Windows. When I just start my Windows, okay, okay, how much resources will be used by Windows? How much resources will be used by Windows? So now, okay, you take this one, guys. Okay, RAM, memory. Okay, so now out of 64 GB, how much is in use now?
8.1 GB.
8.1 GB is in use. Okay, but because, okay, I opened so many other programs, but okay, if I just okay, shut down my laptop and okay, just okay, open my laptop. Okay, normally, okay, to run your Windows, okay, it requires 3 GB. Okay, 3 GB RAM is sufficient to run your OS. Okay, and okay, how many cores will take? Okay, so here, okay, we have 16 cores we have. Okay, so do you think, okay, so all 16 cores, okay, so all 16 cores, okay, will together processing how many processes? See here, how many processes? All 16 cores are, okay, taking care of 244 programs. Okay, understand where I can see the programs. Okay, so these are the programs. Understood? These are the different programs. Okay, so which should be run in the background. Okay, to help your Windows. Okay, so total 243 processes are running by the 16 process. Okay, but okay, so normally, okay, if you have one core also, it is sufficient. Okay, because okay, each core is so strong. Okay, they can take care up to 300 processes. Got it? Okay, so that's not a problem. Okay, so out of 16 cores, okay, if I have one core also, my OS will run. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. If I have one core also, my OS will run. Okay, and okay, disk. Okay, so now how much disk, okay, we used, okay, to install my OS. Okay, so if you see hard disk, okay, so this is Windows SSD, Windows hard disk. Okay, so it is 250 GB hard disk. Okay, it means, okay, 256 GB hard disk, okay, we used for OS. Okay, so network, okay, hardly it will take 100 MB per second. Okay, so I have this laptop. Okay, inside this one, this is the capacity. But okay, if I switch on Windows, okay, only this much is used. Okay, how much is free here? How much is free here? So
200 GB RAM is free.
GB RAM is completely free. Okay, 15 cores are completely free. Okay, they are not doing anything. 1600 GB, okay, of hard disk is completely free. Okay, and 900 MB per second. Okay, LAN speed, network speed also, network bandwidth also completely free. Okay, so it means, okay, when I switch on my laptop, if I don't open any programs at all, okay, so this is my free space. Will you agree with me? Or can I say these are my free resources?
Yes, sir.
Free RAM, free core, free disk, and free network. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I will do, guys. Okay. So now what I will do. Okay. Okay. Now use. Okay. So when I say laptop, okay. Normally what you will have? Laptop means, okay. So when I say laptop, okay, server, machine. Okay. When I say machine, okay. Normally what you will have? What you will have? Okay. You will have RAM, logical process, disk, network. Yes or no? These are the things. Okay, all four you will have in a laptop or server. Okay, so can I call? Okay, if I have this configuration, can I call this as a server? Huh? Is this a server, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I say? Okay, so this one, can I take it like, okay? So can this laptop or server has, okay, this capacity? Yes. Okay. Can this have this capacity? Can it have this capacity? This is also server, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is as a laptop. Okay, this is called as server. Okay, what is the difference between these two?
Server's configuration is high.
Normally, server configuration is high when compared to laptop configuration. Okay. Okay. Now, can I have, okay? So it means, okay. So can I have one more machine? Okay. 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 I have, okay. This is high-end laptop. Okay. I have some old laptops, sir. Okay. So this is an old desktop I have. Okay. Or the old machine I have. Okay. That machine contains only 2 GB RAM, 1 core, 100 GB hard disk. Okay. 100 MB per second. This also a machine, right? Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, I told you right. Okay. In 2001, I purchased my first desktop, sir. Okay. First desktop. Okay. First desktop I purchased. Okay. The desktop has, okay, one core, okay, and 4 GB RAM, okay, and 20 GB hard disk. Understand? Not 4 GB. I guess it is 2 GB RAM. Okay. 20 GB hard disk. 20 GB hard disk, and okay, network speed, okay, around, okay, 100 MB per second. So this was the desktop I purchased in 2001. Understand, sir? When I was studying, when I joined my engineering, okay, so I purchased a desktop for my practice actually. Okay, so what was the capacity of my desktop at that time? 1 core, 2 GB RAM, 20 GB hard disk, okay, 100 MB per second network. This is also this is also a machine, right? This is also a computer, right?
Yes, sir.
This is also a computer. This is also a computer. This is also a server. Okay, but the only thing is that based on the capacity we call as a computer, desktop, laptop, server, like this actually. Only based on the capacity. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Okay.
Yes.
Based on the capacity only. So you will call like whether it is a desktop or laptop or server or, okay, so like anything. Okay. So now, guys, okay, if you see here, okay, I have this much free resources, right? Huh?
Yes,
Or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, after starting my OS, I have these many free resources. Okay, now I will use some software. Okay, I will use some software. Okay, software and okay, I will create some small machines like this. Guys, what do you say? What do you say? It means okay, I will create one more virtual machine in my laptop itself. What is virtual machine? Normally, mine is okay. My laptop is a physical machine. Okay, my laptop is a physical machine. Inside my laptop, anyway, I have these many free resources. What I will do? What I will do? One second. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, so what I will do, I have this much free resources, right? Okay, now I will create, okay, I will create a, okay, from these free resources, okay, I will take, okay, 10 GB RAM. Okay, so 3 cores I will take. Okay, out of 1600 GB I will take, okay, so 300 GB. Okay, out of 900 MB per second, okay, I will take 100 MB per second. Okay, so now this is also a machine, right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From my available or from my laptop free resources, okay, I'm creating one more virtual machine, okay, on top of my laptop itself, guys. Okay, so if you want, okay, so I will show the example. So I've taken, okay, okay, think that, okay, guys, this is my laptop. This is my laptop. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the one. This is the one. Okay, if I just start my laptop, okay, so this is the, okay, for OS, okay, how much it will take? 3 GB to 256 GB. Okay, 1 core, 100 MB per second. Okay, will be used for OS. Okay, now what I will do, using some software, I will start, okay, something like this. I'll start virtual machine 1 here. Virtual machine 1. Okay, what is the virtual machine size that I'm taking here? 10 GB, 200 GB, 2 cores, 100 MB per second. Okay, this is virtual machine 1. Okay, I will take virtual machine 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it, sir? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, guys, okay. So here, okay, if I want to install my cluster in fully distribution mode, I need total 6 servers. Okay. So I cannot buy. Okay. So I cannot buy. Okay, 6 servers. Okay, here. But okay, what I will do from my free resources, what I will do. So here, okay, when I say OS here, okay, I will Windows. Okay, inside virtual machine. Okay, so what I will do, what OS I will install? OS, yes, Linux OS I will install. Understood? Okay, otherwise, okay, I'll put it here. Okay, virtual machine 6 Linux. Yes. Okay. So what I'm doing? Okay. See, after installing my, so this one is a base machine, original machine. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is my laptop. This is my laptop. So here I will put, okay. This is my laptop. Okay. In this laptop, okay, so I have 16 GB, 2 TB, 16 core, this much. Okay, these are the resources in my laptop. Okay, so now these resources, okay, so these resources are used by different things here. Okay, now when I switch on my laptop, okay, this laptop will use out of these resources, okay, it will use 3 GB, okay, this much cores, this much hard disk, okay, this much RAM, all these things. Okay, so after doing all these things, so what are the free here? I have 61 GB free resource. Okay, so these are the free resources I have. Okay, using some software, what I will do, I will divide these free resources into virtual machines. Okay. Now I created total 6 virtual machines, guys. 6 virtual machines. Okay, so what is the size of each virtual machine? 10 GB RAM, 200 GB hard disk, 2 cores, and 100 MB per second network. Okay, so anyway, for practice purpose, right? Okay, but okay, in real time, when people are building a Hadoop cluster, okay, they will take virtual machines or they will take physical servers.
Physical servers.
Physical
servers.
Okay, so they will take physical servers. Okay, they will not take virtual machine. Okay, so they will take one server like one. They will not have, okay, virtual machine means, okay, it is like, okay, you have a laptop, okay, on top of laptop, okay, you are running multiple servers. Okay, but there it is not like that. Okay, so you will have one server which is used for, okay, one name node, or one server for data node, one server for second name node, like that. Okay, for practice purpose, what we are doing, so we cannot, since we cannot buy 6 laptops, so what I'm doing, from available resources, I'm creating virtual machines like this. Are you clear? Any questions? Clear? Are any questions?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Yeah. Okay. So now, okay, now let us take this scenario. Okay. So I have, this is my laptop. If your laptop also having 16 GB RAM, if your laptop also having this configuration, okay, so this is OS and these are the free resources, and you can create, okay, VMs of big size here. Okay, you can create, okay, VM1, VM2, VM3, VM4, VM5, VM6. Okay, so these are the ones. Okay, but still, even okay, if I create like this also, what are the left out here? Still I have some more free, right?
Yes, sir.
Here I have 61 GB, sir. Okay, but I am creating 10 GB 6 VMs. Only 60 cores are 60 GB RAM is used. 1 GB is still free. Okay, so I have 15 cores. Okay, but I'm using 12 cores here. Okay, each machine, each virtual machine, okay, I'm using 2 cores. So still I have 3 more cores. Okay, okay, so 200 GB. Still I have 200 GB more free. Okay, still I have 300. Okay, but fine. Okay, so now if I have, okay, if okay, for your practice also, guys, okay, if you have 16 GB, 64 GB laptop, okay, you can create each VM of size 10 GB, okay, this size. Okay, but okay, if you say, sir, okay, we don't have 64 GB RAM, sir. Okay, we have only 32 GB RAM in my laptop, in your laptop. You have 32 GB RAM, okay, you have 8 cores and you have 1 TB hard disk and you have 1000. This one. Okay. So now also you can create, okay, you can create like this actually. Okay, so what is the size of, okay, virtual machine, okay, you want to create, you can create now. So if you have 32 GB RAM, after starting OS, okay, these are the left out here. Yes or no? 29 cores, okay, 29 GB RAM, 7 cores, 650 GB hard disk. Yes or no? Okay, now in this scenario, what you can do, you can still create, okay, virtual machines. Okay, 5 GB RAM, 1 core, 100 GB, 100 Mbps. Okay, so if you have 32 GB RAM, okay, this is the size of VMs you can, sorry, not VMs, virtual machines you can create. Okay, but what in case, okay, you have, okay, only 16 GB RAM, sir. Okay, you have 24 GB RAM and 8 cores. Okay, so what you can do, if you have only 24 GB RAM, you can still create 6 VMs. you can still create 6 VMs, but okay, what is the size of the VM? Only 3 GB, 1 core, 100 GB. Understood? See, the more free resources you have, the big virtual machines you can create. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the more virtual resources you have, okay, sorry, the more resources you have, the big virtual machines you can create. Yes or no? Okay, see here, I have 64 GB RAM, 16 cores, so I could create, okay, 10 GB VMs here. Okay, but okay, here I have 32 GB RAM, so I'm creating only 5 GB. I have 24 GB RAM, okay, I'm creating only 3 GB VMs. Okay, what in case if you have only 16 GB RAM? Okay, if you have 16 GB RAM, in the 16 GB, 3 GB will go for OS, 1 core will go for OS. Okay, so now, okay, these are the free resources. Okay, now what you can do, you can still create 6 VMs. Okay, but okay, how can I create 6 VMs? 2 GB RAM, 0.5 core, 50 GB hard disk, 100 MB per second. Okay, so to practice Hadoop, okay, if I have this size of VM also, fine. Understood? To practice Hadoop, okay, to test the installation of Hadoop, okay, if you have 2 GB RAM, okay, 0.5 core, 50 GB hard disk, okay, 100 MB per second. Okay, if I have virtual machines like this is sufficient. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, in the demo also, if somebody asks, okay, sir, what is the laptop we need? I told, okay, minimum 16 GB RAM is required. But minimum 16 GB RAM if you have, okay, what you can do, you can create, okay, very small VMs. Very small VMs. Okay. But okay, if you have, okay, high, I mean 64 GB RAM, then you can create more and more VMs. Bigger VMs you can create. Yes or no? Okay. Sir, what in case you have only 8 GB RAM? There are people who have 8 GB RAM, right? Okay. If you have 8 GB RAM, you can create only, okay, only 2 virtual machines you can create. Okay. So if you create only 2 virtual machines, okay, where you will install, okay, name node, where you will install secondary name node, where you will install data nodes. See, to practice, like, at least, okay, we require 6 machines. Okay. So if you have 8 GB RAM, out of 8 GB RAM, 3 GB will go for OS itself. Loading Windows itself, it will take 3 GB. Okay. So I have only 5 GB left out. Okay. So minimum VM I require is 2 GB. So in this scenario, out of 5 GB, I can get only 2 VMs. Okay. So practice in 8 GB laptop, 8 GB RAM is not at all possible. Okay. And okay, if you have only 4 GB, somebody told me recently, okay, sir, I have only 4 GB RAM. Okay. So now only free is 1 GB. Okay. With 1 GB, can I create a VM? No VMs can be created here.
Sir, if we understand the concept well, then we can practice on standalone as well, right? Because it's
Yes,
just
sir.
for,
But okay, you should have the real-time feel, right?
yeah. I mean, for me, I'm working in real time, so I understand what is physical, virtual, and all those things. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why
Yes,
I was.
yes, sir. Okay. So, guys, you understood what is virtual machine and all. What is physical machine and what is virtual machine? Okay. Physical machine is nothing but your laptop. Okay. Virtual machine means, okay, the machine, okay, which you are starting on top of your laptop is virtual machine. Got it. And one more thing now, okay. If I stop virtual machine, okay, what and all will be released?
All cores and RAM will be freezed.
Okay, all cores and RAM will be released, network also released, but okay, hard disk will not be released. If hard disk also released, it is like you are deleting the VMs. Understand? So you can switch on the VM and okay, you can switch off the VM or okay, shut down and okay, and you can start the VM, you can shut down the VM also. Okay, so So now if you stop the VM, shut down the VM now, if you want to start it later, okay, you need the VM, right? At least stored on the hard disk. That is the reason. Okay. So if your VM is stopped, okay, only the core, RAM, and network will come and sit inside the free resources, but not hard disk. Got it. Guys, okay, so please open your mouth and okay, tell me if you have any issues.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
If you don't understand, okay, please let me know. I can explain once again. Understood? I can explain once again if you want. Okay.
Clearly understood, but now is the need of purchasing of more RAM laptop now, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay, if you purchase, okay, at least 32 GB, that will be good to practice.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yes, sir. Okay.
No,
Better to have.
according to your the explanation, so it is the emergency to purchase the laptop of above 32 GB or 64 GB.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to learn this, all total follow the teacher classes.
If you have 16 GB also, you can still create, but okay, these will be running very, very slow.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So better okay.
Sir, 6 VMs are necessary. 5 or 4 is okay.
Okay. Sir, let's say, sir, okay, you are
with 16 GB can be if we create 4 VMs, is it not sufficient?
Okay, sir, let's say okay, you want to draw, okay, okay, your friend photo, sir. Let's say your friend, okay, so you are a painter, okay, you are painting your friend photo, okay. So if you have enough space, okay, you can paint okay full photo, yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
If you don't have enough space, then okay, maybe his legs will not come or his hand will not come. At times, his head also will not come. Yes or no? But you want to practice full picture or full Hadoop or okay, only part of Hadoop?
Full parts.
Okay, so if you want to practice okay, full-fledged Hadoop, okay, so at least you require minimum 6 VMs.
Okay, sir.
Got it.
Got it.
Okay. So any other questions, guys? Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Tell me, sir.
But we configure using EC2 instances, AWS EC2 instances.
You can do anything, sir. No problem at all. Sir, end of the day, I need okay. You take this virtual machine on top of your your laptop, or okay, you take this virtual machine from public cloud, or you take virtual machine from private cloud. I don't care. End of the day, you need a virtual machine.
Okay.
Sir, how much cost, sir, for the 64 GB RAM for the SSD?
Okay.
Any ideas?
Sir, okay. Do you know that okay? So suppose okay, if you have budget, okay, you can think of buying new laptop if you have money, okay. But there are people okay who are facing difficulty in paying fees itself, okay.
Yeah, I have a 16 GB RAM on my laptop.
Yeah,
I'm planning to upgrade. How much they will charge? I'm not sure.
Okay, so what I will so here okay, we have an option, guys. Okay, do you know the refurbished laptops? What is refurbished laptop, guys?
Usually laptops.
Huh?
Usually laptops.
No idea.
Used laptops. What do you mean of used laptops?
Kind of second-handed.
Sir, okay, you take okay. See, some of the companies, okay, so some of the companies have a policy like okay, any employee should not use laptop for more than 3 years. Okay, let's say if I join, okay, so 2019, okay, so 1/1/2019, 20, 21, okay. So 21 year, 21, 22. Okay, it means okay, 1/1. Normally the policy is that okay, for every 3 years, okay, if I join on this day, they'll give me a laptop, right? They'll give me a laptop. Okay. So I will use this office laptop. Okay, how many days I use? Okay. Okay. So here 120. This 1 year, okay, 219 I used. 220 I use the same laptop. Okay. 21. Okay, 21 also I use same laptop. 3 years I used. Okay. On okay, 1/1/2022, okay, they'll give me a new laptop. Okay. Now the question is that okay, so why they have given new laptop on this day? Is there any problem with my old laptop?
There is no warranty, sir.
No. Okay. So here, okay. So normally some companies will have some rules like, okay, any laptop which employee is using should be under warranty. Okay. So now after 3 years, okay, so your laptop will be out of warranty. That is the reason what they will do. They'll give me a new laptop. Okay. So now when they give me new laptop, okay, what they will do with my old laptop? It is okay, still okay. So it is good laptop only. Okay. So what they will do? So they will give these laptops to some companies. Okay. So some second-hand companies. Okay. What these people will do? So if they have any scratches or anything, okay, they will clean everything and they'll give a good look to these laptops, and okay, they will put in the market for sale. Okay. So used office laptops will come on sale. Okay, in some places actually. Okay. So I I have one contact with one of the guy, okay, who sell the user laptops. Okay, user laptops. Okay. So let me send that in the group actually. Okay, right now I'll send. Okay, it may, okay. 1 second, guys.
You put in a group chat.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'll put in the group chat. One second, guys. Maybe I'm not finding that. Wait, I'll check here. I couldn't find here. Okay, sir. I sent you that contact in the group actually. Audio department batch V31. Okay. So this guy this guy sell this kind of used laptops actually. Okay. So normally and he will give warranty also, that 1 year warranty he will give. Okay, like, okay, if you buy new laptop, okay, whatever the warranty you get 1 year, the same warranty he will give for this laptops also. Okay. So if anybody is okay to go with the new laptop, please go ahead with the new laptop. Okay. If anybody is having budget problems, okay, so you will get these laptops for mostly 40% of the total cost. Okay. Suppose if you buy laptop, okay, with 1 lakh rupees, okay, the same laptop, okay, use it mode, okay, so you will get for 40,000. Okay, but okay, this 1 lakh laptop also will have a 1 year warranty. This 40,000 laptop also will have 1 year warranty. Okay, but this is only thing. This is used laptop. This is brand new laptop. Okay, and okay, so far almost 500 to 600 laptops. Okay, our student purchased from this guy. Okay, and okay, we don't have any complaints so far. We don't have any complaints. And one more thing is, okay, he is a Kannadiga. Okay, Kannadiga means Karnataka person actually. Okay, so okay, you can call this guy. I guess he knows Telugu also. You can call this guy and you can speak to him. Okay, so and ask. Okay, so tell the confession. What confession you want? Okay, he will tell the price. And one more thing is, okay, it is up to you to bargain. It is up to you to bargain. Okay, I've seen people, okay, who purchased laptop, okay, Core i7. i7, okay, 16 GB RAM, okay, 16 GB RAM, and okay, 500 GB hard disk, not SSD, guys, hard disk. This is the laptop, okay, they purchased for 22,000. The same laptop I have seen students, okay, where they purchased for 28,000 also. Okay. I've seen same laptop people purchase for 32,000 also. What is the difference between these three? Same laptop.
Around
So,
10,000 difference is there.
no. This guy bargained well.
Okay.
You need to bargain, sir.
Okay.
Understood? Okay. You ask, if you say, okay, 30,000, you ask for 20,000.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll tell good prices. Okay. So you ask him bargain. Okay. And one more thing is, I'm not a promoter of this guy. Okay. Please
Yeah,
try to.
correct. Okay. You can understand Venkat. Okay.
Okay. If you have any other contact, please go there and okay, buy your preferred laptops.
What
Okay?
about English people who does he know English also?
He knows English also, sir. Okay, don't
Then
worry.
fine, then fine, sir. Thank you.
He know better Hindi well, very well.
Yeah, all businessmen will be knowing 4 or 5 languages.
Okay, so he knows Hindi. He knows Hindi very well. Okay, so he can speak multiple languages, sir. No, not to worry. Okay, I guess he can speak Tamil also. I guess. Okay, business people.
Venkat,
Right?
for practicing purpose, we had to buy 32 GB is best or
32 GB is best, sir. Best.
okay.
32 GB is
32 GB means around how much cost it will come, Venkat, for second hand?
Sorry?
No. Approximately in second hand, used laptop, how much cost it will come?
32 GB laptop, okay, it may come nearly, they may charge around 35,000, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
35,000. New laptop means?
New laptop, okay, that will come, 32 GB will come around, okay, 70. And again, okay, it's based on the model also, sir.
Okay.
Understand. Okay, see, laptops, okay, you have different companies, Dell, okay, so HP. And okay, even in HP also, there are different models. Okay. I'm using Lenovo Legion actually. It's my laptop is it's not a normal laptop. It is like gaming laptop. Okay. So even if I keep my laptop open for okay 3-4 days also, I will not see even okay little heat also. Understand? But normally some laptops okay. So if you start using for okay, 2-3 hours okay, they will become. So I mean they'll produce a lot of heat actually. You cannot even put on your labs actually. Okay. Understand?
How much, sir, your laptop cost?
My laptop, okay, it costed me around okay, 120, sir, nearly.
Okay.
120. But now I guess okay, you can get it for lesser cost because I purchased 2 years back. But now damn sure okay, prices might have reduced. Okay, you'll get it for at least like 1,05,000-6,000. Okay. One of the students recently purchased okay, in Hyderabad. Okay, he got it for 1,06,000. Okay. So yes, please, okay, if you don't have laptops, okay, and you don't have budget, please, okay, check okay these laptops, and he will give warranty also. And you okay, if you want to speak to him, you tell my name, okay, he will understand easily because okay, I've sent so many people actually. I told him that okay, so if anybody says my name, okay, please give some discount to them. Okay, he said okay, but okay, I've seen he is charging so much. Yes, please be unmute. So I've seen at times like, okay, if you don't bargain, okay, he will charge so much. Okay.
Sir,
configuration 32 GB, 1 TB hard disk is enough, right?
1 TB SSD you go, sir.
Okay. Sir, I request, sir, please add me in your group, sir, that I didn't got your message.
Naveen, huh?
No, Devaya, sir.
Why you are not there in my group? Okay, so okay, sir. Okay, ping me. Okay, in the after this class. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yeah, I already pinged separately to your number.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will add you, sir. Okay.
So thank you.
Okay, yeah. Why you are not there? Yeah. Okay, sir. I will add you, sir. Don't worry. Sir, why your name is not showing here? The number is not showing. If I try to add, okay, if you ping, okay, so I can see that number. 3-1. some issues, sir. That's even. Yes, sir. Okay, I did try it. Edit content. So just now it will work. There is a added user. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, Jessica, let's come back to the class. Okay. So, okay. Hope you understood. Okay, what is virtual machine? Okay, so how to practice? Okay, our Hadoop. Okay, in our laptop and all. Okay, so by creating VMs and all. Okay, we understood. Okay. Hope. Okay, no questions so far. Okay. So what next here, guys? What next? Okay. So now. Okay. So now, if I want to install Hadoop, okay, what I need? I need a Linux machine. So Hadoop run on Linux only, guys. Okay, now what is Linux here? What is Linux?
OS.
So okay. So what are the different OSs you know, guys? You know Windows. You know Windows. Okay.
Windows, Ubuntu, Linux.
We have Linux. Okay. So
Mac, iOS, Mac.
So we have
Mac.
Okay, so Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, so these are the Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, these are the three OSs. Okay, and okay, Android also, right? Android OS also, Okay, so these are the different OSs. Okay, but if you see Hadoop, okay, Hadoop is designed to run, okay, on Linux. So you can install, okay, suppose, okay, you have, okay, some software, okay. So there are some softwares, okay, where you can install in Windows, okay, you can install Linux, okay, Mac, Android also, okay. But okay, when it comes to Hadoop, okay, Hadoop is kind of a software where you can install in Linux only. Understood? Okay. So now, okay. So let us see what is Linux. Okay, so from where it has born. Okay, so if you see this one, okay, Windows. Okay, is it an open source one or okay, licensed one? Licensed OS.
Licensed, sir.
Licensed one. Okay, licensed one. Okay. So and again the same, okay, see most of the things are okay, licensed ones only. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here, but when it comes to okay, here, okay, so here, okay, when it comes to Linux, okay, this is initially we had something called Unix case. Initially we had something called Unix. Okay, Unix was the OS, okay, and again open source OS. Okay, and okay, so this Unix, okay, so they have taken, okay, there's a team, okay, who has taken this Unix kernel and okay, they designed Linux. Okay, again, okay, in case of Linuxes, there are two type of Linuxes case. Okay, so what is this two type of Linuxes? You have RPM based Linux and Debian based Linux. What is RPM based case? So in case of Windows, okay, if you want to install a software, let's say, so this is Windows base. Okay, so let's say you want to install VLC player. What you will do? What you will do if you want to install VLC player? You will download
that software and install.
.exe file. Correct? Yes or no? So in Windows, if you want to install VLC player, okay, you will download a VLC player.exe file. Okay. In the same way, when it comes to Linux, if you want to install VLC player, you will check for VLC player RPM. Understood? Okay. You will check for RPM, VLC player. Okay. So here your software, okay, in Linux, okay, your software will come in the form of RPMs, RK.dbs. Okay. Understand? Okay. So now, so here in Windows, okay, we call it as exe file. In Linux, it is called as a RPM. Okay, so we have two type of softwares. Okay, so in case of Linux, okay, executable files. One is RPM, one is dev. Okay, so now again, again RPM Linux or Debian based Linux also, both Linuxes will come CLI mode and GUI mode. Okay, what is CLI mode, guys? What is CLI mode and what is GUI mode?
Command line interface.
Command line interface. Okay, so it means, okay, see, normally
Graphical user interface.
okay, so in case of Windows, okay, when you switch on your Windows, okay, so you will have the desktop, okay, you will have icons and all here, okay. So this is UI based, GUI based, the graphical user interface, okay. But what in case, okay, when you start Windows, okay, it is showing, okay, like this command prompt. It is showing command prompt, okay. It is showing only black screen. It is not showing any desktop and all, okay. It means, okay, this is like, okay, command line based, okay. So if you want to do anything, if you want to copy data in this command based Linux, or okay, if you want to delete data, if you want to read the data, okay, if you want to access data, anything you do, you should know the commands. Then only you can use this. Otherwise, you cannot use this one. Understand? Okay. Whatever you want to do, okay, you should do, okay, using some commands. Otherwise, you cannot do anything. Got my point? Got my point? Yes. Okay. So yeah. In RPM based also, you have CLI based Linux and like a GUI based Linuxes. Okay, and Debian also have CLI mode and GUI mode. Okay, so now which are the companies provide, okay, this RPM based Linux? Red Hat is a company who provides RPM based Linux. Okay, CentOS is another company which is a Xerox, okay, of Red Hat. Okay, and Oracle is another company who supply the Linux. Okay, and okay, SUSE, Fedora, these are the different companies, okay, who provide the Linux, actually RPM based Linux. When it comes to Debian based Linux, okay, you have Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, okay, all these are Debian based Linux. Okay, but okay, end of the day, all are Linuxes, but okay, there are, okay, some commands, okay, difference, okay, few differences in RPM based Linux and Debian based Linux. Okay, understand, guys? Okay, but okay, now the question is that, okay, when you have so many Linuxes, okay, which Linux will be used in real time? Okay, real time Hadoop clusters. Which Linux will be mostly
Red Hat,
used?
sir. Mostly Red Hat.
Okay, so in real time, mostly they use Red Hat or CentOS. CentOS. Okay, so these are the two, okay, Linux voices they will use in real time. Okay, 90% of the clusters, 90% of the clusters will run either on Red Hat or on CentOS. Understand? Understand? Or any questions?
Venkata, is it only recommended to use Red Hat CentOS or any flavor of Linux we can use?
Sorry?
Any flavor of Linux we can use or only recommended Red Hat and CentOS?
No, you can use any flavor, sir. But okay, but okay. You have, okay, many TVs, but okay, you have top selling TVs also. Yes or no? Okay, in the same way, you have many Linuxes and you have top, okay, mainly use Linux or mostly use Linux. Okay, so Red Hat or CentOS. Okay, if I have, okay, 100 clusters in the world, out of 100 clusters, okay, 90% of the Hadoop clusters are running on Red Hat or CentOS.
Okay.
So it means, okay, if you join a new company in future, okay, on Hadoop, okay, so then, okay, you will be having, okay, Red Hat OS or CentOS OS. Clear? Okay. Hello. Now, okay, so let us practice, okay, our, okay, since, okay, I mean, while learning itself, okay, let us learn like a real time only. Okay, now, okay, now we have two options, okay, which one to choose. Okay, mostly it is like a CentOS is like a Xerox copy of Red Hat, okay, with some 3 to 4% changes, or let's say max 5% difference. Remaining 95%, okay, both are same. Commands also same. Okay, everything is same. Okay, but okay, so can we use Red Hat? But if you want to use Red Hat, okay, and okay, you need subscription for Red Hat. Okay, so for CentOS, using CentOS, you don't require any subscription and all. Okay, so for practice purpose, okay, let us use CentOS, which doesn't require any subscription. Is it fine?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, so it means, okay, going forward, if I want to install Linux, I will use CentOS Linux, not Red Hat Linux. But both are almost same, 95% same. Both are only 5% difference, sir. But those 5% differences will not impact in any of Hadoop actually. Got it? Okay. So now what next? So now what we need to do? We need to learn, okay, to install Linux also. How to install Linux also. But okay, if we start installing Linux, okay, so we cannot complete in next 10 minutes. So we will do one thing. We'll stop it here today. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow early morning, like 7 o'clock we will start. Okay, and what else? Okay, and guys, okay, see, there are people who are still joining like a guest. Okay, from tomorrow, no more guests. Seriously, I'm telling you, no more guests. Don't ping me also. It is unnecessarily we are wasting time. Okay, for these guests. Okay, if you have, okay, if you are interested to continue, please pay the money and continue. Okay, I cannot entertain guests every day. So because of that, yesterday 10 minutes wasted, today 7 minutes wasted for me. Okay, so I don't want to waste time from tomorrow. Please, okay, so here, okay, I can say who are the people joined as guest. Vinay, okay, please send your mail ID. Okay, first thing. And Srinivas Lupokur, okay, sir, okay, you paid the money, but you didn't share the Gmail ID.
Yeah, today I will share, Venkat. Yeah, I forgot. I will share it with after the completed class. I will share it to you.
Yeah, otherwise, okay, from tomorrow I will not allow you as a guest.
Okay.
After that, okay, Rajesh Sham, sir, okay, if you don't, okay, give your Gmail ID, I will not allow you from tomorrow. Okay, please.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I sent the Gmail ID to you.
Okay, sir. I will add it to you. Okay. Zoom. Okay. Who else has joined? Okay. KT Naveen. Okay. So mostly is the new guy who joined today only. Correct? Naveen?
Yes, sir. Today is the first session.
First day. Yeah. Okay. So ping me after the class. Okay. So apart from that, who else? Sir, Budhat Sivanarayana. Okay. So please ping me after the class, sir. Okay. Okay, so okay, yeah, these are the people. Okay, so please don't join like guests from tomorrow. Please join like.
Okay. I will share it. Gmail, it is enough, na? Okay, I will share it. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, I guess today it is a festival day also. Happy Mahasivaratri. Okay, enjoy your day. And
Thank you, and same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wish you the same, sir.
so see you all tomorrow.
Good, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Venkat. Okay.